Don't know how frequently I need magnesium, but if I ever do, I have a lovely lemon and raspberry flavored packet. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, and doing unboxing videos. Today I'm excited because I have another new box. This one is not a subscription box per se, but it is beauty and skincare related. This is a box from Walmart Beauty. The box technically is free, but you pay $5 for shipping and handling. So you can look at it as if the box costs $5. So let's dig in and see if this is worth $5. I don't believe I subscribed. I think I just made a purchase and they sent it to me. I could be wrong, and maybe I'm going to get this every month or whenever they send it. I don't believe so. Alright, so it's a box that gets shipped, and there's plastic around it, and it sounds very like a puzzle. Alright, now that I've taken, okay, here we go. So that's what's in the box, and these definitely will all be sample sizes. Alright, first item, we have Dove Care Between Washes, and let's see what this is. Dry conditioner, soften and smooth without water. Go Active Dry Conditioner. What is it? Is that like a dry shampoo, but they're calling it a dry conditioner? Interesting. Alright, let's see what this product is all about. It says, perfect for post-workout or anytime. Instantly conditions, detangles, and leaves hair touchably soft in between washes. Alright, so to me it seems like a dry shampoo, but they're calling it a dry conditioner. Let's see what the sprayer looks like and if it has a scent. Okay, that's very light. Oh, it smells lovely. Well, definitely smell the alcohol in there. It feels wetter than a dry shampoo. Like I can feel moisture on my hair now. Alright, well, since I didn't have anything to detangle, we shall see if that does anything. Alright, next item. We have a sample supplement called Calm, and this is a magnesium supplement, raspberry lemon flavor. I presume you're going to put this into water, stir it up, and make a drink. Alright, don't know how frequently I need magnesium, but if I ever do, I have a lovely lemon and raspberry flavored packet. Alright, next item. What is this? Nyx. Alright, I like the brand Nyx. Is this a lip gloss? What is this? Okay, the problem with these items being sample size, it's really hard to read what's going on. What is this? This is everything. Oh, it's a lip oil. Alright, why is it blue? Sheer sky blue. I'm 53. I could see if I was like 16, 18, 21. I don't know that I want to put a blue on my lips. So I'm going to keep this for a future giveaway, but okay. Next item. Alright, Biore, Rose Quartz and Charcoal. Alright. Biore, they do those strips, right? We get the blackheads out. What is this? A daily purifying cleanser for Optimal results: use daily. Wet face, squeeze cleanser into hands, and work into a lather. Massage over entire face. Rinse thoroughly with water. Alright, I will add this to my shower and give it a try. Next item. Degree Dry Spray. UltraClear Black and White. Okay, so I use Degree as my deodorant, but I'm a stick girl. Is this a spray? Yes, apparently. And when I took the lid off, this came off. I don't know. I mean, I have it. It might be good to toss in my purse for, oh, that's what I'll do, for emergency situations. I don't know. Something about spraying, it gets all over, it's wet, but, alright. I do like the brand and the scent of Degree. I'm just not personally a fan of aerosol or spritzy types of deodorant. Okay, next item. We have Bausch+Lomb Lumify. So these are going to be eye drops of some sort. What are these? Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. Yes, so just some eye drops. Alright. And of course, what is this? Oh, it's a card for Calm. What is this? Just an advert or a coupon maybe? I don't know. There's a QR code. So let's recap. This was a new adventurous box. It was only $5, and I was curious if for $5 if you got any gems. So possibly I'd say the lip oil would be a gem if it wasn't blue. So we got a lip oil. We got some eye drops. Not very beauty related, but hey, I just had to use some eye drops the other day, so it's a staple. We did get Biore Daily Cleanser. We got an interesting product called a dry conditioner instead of a dry shampoo. Interesting, just see the difference. We got a sample of Degree deodorant. It's a spray. And then we got this Magnesium Supplement. So I think for the amount of products, this is pretty close to like an Allure box. Granted, most of these are, I'll say, lower end or more daily use type items. But for $5, this isn't too shabby. All right. What are your thoughts? What are your opinions? Have you heard that Walmart has a beauty box? Have you gotten one before? And if so, comment down below. Was the one I unboxed crap compared to what you've seen, or was this pretty good? Alright, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.